Welcome to Norsh, where innovation and trust converge to transform industries. Discover how blockchain revolutionizes the management of hazardous materials. From weapons and ammunition manufacturing to secure, traceable transportation powered by cutting-edge technology. The same precision applies to industrial waste disposal, where absolute control is critical, and to hospital waste, where a single error can be life-threatening. Every transaction, purchase, or movement is accurately and securely recorded. Commercial transactions demand traceability and compliance with current regulations. Each step in the process feeds directly into the blockchain, ensuring complete integrity and traceability. Records meet local and international standards, delivering unmatched reliability. More than that, a transparent chain auditable by all stakeholders. Auditors, technicians, and regulatory bodies access a single, trusted source of truth. This is how Norsh's blockchain becomes a cornerstone of industrial infrastructure. Spanning sectors and borders, Norsh's technology continues to grow. Norsh.